I've got this old compressor here, so I'm going to do some tests. First I'll do a test on the capacitor. So select capacitance on your meter. Try and connect to the cables. That's both of them connected. Takes a while to read on this machine. It's saying 104 microfarads. So check on the side of it. 50 microfarads, so there's something out there. That's almost double. So I'll get my fluke and I'll do another reading on that. But at the minute that looks like that's out. It's supposed to be plus or minus a few microfarads, so that's way out. But anyway, take the overload and relay off. These are your overload and relay on that control it and protect it. Obviously your relay cuts it in and out and your overload protects it. So on here you should have a common. Well, it ain't marked, so I'll try usually the top one. So that one is 10 ohms. That one is 11 ohms, and I'll test between the two. 24 ohms. Then you want to test between each and earth, just to make sure you're getting an OL. So keep that one on there, and then move these across. OL and OL. So I know the coils are fine, and I know there's no leakage to earth. And that's the only test you have to do. .24. Obviously it should be half of it, so nearly 11, 12. Nearly 12. And then no reading between any and earth. That's it. Electrically that's sound. Can't really test these other than for continuity, and it's fine. And that's obviously a capacitor.